buy.
Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, let's check it out.
What's from 1 to 10 with this t-shirt?
Definitely a 10. You guys, I took it out and now my fingers, it's like smells so ridiculously good.
Choc! That is the delicious thing ever.
Can we see the inside of the bar? Oh my gosh. It's a lot thicker and heavier than the one that you got.
7.
Oh my God, it must be amazing. $22? I don't know.
I can't stop eating it. I literally can't.
Wow, looks gorgeous. Pistachio? Does it taste like pistachio? Nice.